clot! Me didn't know this the man of that. Welcome back to my reaction, man. As I expect to my time, we're gonna be reacting to you know, the one and only Vybz Kartel, Gaza Nation. Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
Vybz Kartel try the official music video. This should be real interesting. Every Vybz Kartel video Vybz Kartel put out, banger. So y'all don't know what it is. We're gonna dive right into it. We ain't gonna waste no more time. Like, comment, subscribe, spam it in the comment section. Let's go. We're gonna dive into it.
Alright.
And then it's short.
Vybz Kartel.
H-ha. Ladies.
I wanna fuck you like that nigga finger.
Bumbo clot. Me didn't know this the man of that.
Damn! What? What did you just say? A minute of today? That's all I heard.
I'm Vybz Kartel. What should I expect? So that I'll be anything I ain't not even listening. Yeah, I listen about you know.
What?
This is my type of video.
Somebody please in the comment section translate that. You retarded. Mine bigger than that.
No.
Yeah, yours bigger than that.
I saw that.
It big for you, man. Yeah, man, it big for you. Big for you.
You can go on there.
If you get your open, you need a window.
Hey, I can do that.
No.
Come on. We don't want to embarrass ourselves. Bumbo clot. Yeah, Mr. Jackson.
Jesus Christ.
Well, whatever. This is my butt shot for this.
Oh, we got the position right now.
Boy, if you don't.
Where's he at?
Another dead. Turn up. Damn! No! Keep playing.
What?
Keep playing. Yeah, girl.
Don't move, I'll take off your clothes. See no man the big boss a pose mass times acceleration that a force.
Love free.
Most tell everybody to post, but I do me to a squeeze.
Girl, you couldn't invite me, man.
No.
You not invite me, right? No. Let me do work to go crazy. Be a professional wrestler.
I can do that.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I'm gonna embarrass yourself, bro.
They help me.
Yes, I can do so. Get your ass up over here and come do this video. What you trying to do, huh? Yeah, me titi.
Damn!
Alright, come on, man. We ain't China.
China?
You know, fake it real.
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ.
Pretty little muffet, give
Babe, can I wear one of those? Like, if we're on vacation, can I wear a swimsuit like that?
No.
Oh, we have a fun night.
No, it's a swimsuit.
Yeah, man, we have to have a fun night. Yes,
I said when we go on vacation.
We're watching a video right where we go.
Babe, when we go on vacation, can I wear?
Yeah.
He not even listening to me.
Now listen up.
No,
listen.
what I say?
You said when we were going on vacation, can you wear a swimsuit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can outside?
No.
Outside?
Yes.
They're gonna see us do the doo-doo.
We're not gonna do the doo-doo.
What do you mean?
We're not doing the doo-doo.
So what you trying to do? Just wear it?
When we go to like the beach or something.
The beach? Wear that day? No, no, but that day. She tripping that day.
Whatever. I'm coming here like that.
No.
She's so good in that bed. China.
Hey.
Jesus Christ.
If they ever had your head, me a fighter. Everywhere me a just strike like that. Pussy feel brand new. Don't move, I'll take off your clothes. Sit down on the big bus, I pose my times up. Acceleration that I force. Love you the most, tell everybody my boss. But I do me to a screen, can't get the post. Thanks me get a girl so beautiful. But a bad girl, back to the pose. Other girl, they're so good in the bed.
She good in that bed.
Why?
Charge over?
No.
No.
Why?
What you need to watch this whole for?
But you don't see why I be a house?
Are they twins? They
Be a
look like
body.
nothing.
Be a body, you know.
Nothing.
Be a fat body, you know.
You can get on my nerves.
Be a fat body.
Be a fuck buddy.
What?
What you say?
What?
What you say?
What the fuck?
Be a fat body.
Fuck my thing. Vybz Kartel is freaky.
She don't know what Vybz Kartel. She don't know what Vybz Kartel.
First word that came out his mouth when we opened this video was the P word.
Boom boom.
I think.
The boom boom. You know Vybz Kartel. When that touch on earlier, I'm curious and you know.
I'd be scared to be his girlfriend. I'm scared.
Girlfriends, them galley man, they're galleys.
Them galamala galleys.
What?
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 What? Them are galleys.
Them are galleys.
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 Galley, yeah.
Galleys.
Yeah, and get galley where you go.
Galavenego. Galavenego.
What the fuck?
What?
What?
Y'all hear this?
Them are Galavenego.
I don't know what you just said.
I said what you said.
And get galley where you go.
Galavengo.
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 What is Galavengo?
That's what you saying.
I ain't saying get galley where you go.
Galaverengo.
Galaver. You sound like you're saying Durango. Anyway.
Sound like you saying vinegar.
Anyways. Vybz Kartel never
disappoint
disappointed.
me.
Big at it. Biggest. I don't know describe it. I know describe it. Like, you see the video right there.
You see the
I'm gonna
video.
watch it over again, man.
Why we didn't see him in the video?
Huh? Babe, I already told you Vybz Kartel is in.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Ooh.
He's a current. He gonna be awesome though. But yeah, big up to all that guys are fan them, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
You guys I know, leave a subscribe and comment down below whatever it is you want to see, and then we going, you know, keep going. As you know, the goal is to hit 2K before 2020. We can do it. We can do it. We almost there. Yeah, 1.6 something. So let's go. Let's go.
By the grace of God.
We gonna make it.
And the grace of these.
I rebuke all the haters. I rebuke you. Lean forward, as DL won't say. Hit yourself on your forehead.
Pop.
Rebuke that spirit out of you. You gonna subscribe. Let's. Anyways, man, like and subscribe, man. Appreciate his love and support. You like the song? You like it? I like it, but yeah, me, you know what I mean? When I thought too much of the camera, I watch this video by myself. You know what I mean?
No, he not.
When she not here. Like and subscribe. Let's go.
He